How to install. Take out the main part and all accessories. Mounting bracket. Install the negative pressure filter cup. False demonstration. Install the operating handle. There are 3 operating handles, according to the size of the operating part. To choose the corresponding operating handle: small handle, medium handle, large handle. Align the operating handle with the connection cable connector and plug it in firmly. Correctly installed connections are tightly connected. Connect the power on. There are 2 systems to choose from for this. Time selection. Temperature selection. Suction. Relax. There is a negative pressure suction size rotary button on the right side of the instrument. Adjustable fit size. Needs to be used with body oils. Slow and even movement adjustable suction power according to customer adaptation. When relax is 0, it is direct suction mode. Large handle use. When relax is 0, it is direct suction mode. The parameters of the slimming system are adjusted in the same way as in the Sistema di adelgazamiento. The instrument is clean. Turn off the instrument. Remove the used operating handle. Pay attention to the handle connection port. Do not get wet, otherwise it is easy to contact poorly. Damage the handle. Remove the filter plug with a tool such as tweezers. Clean it with water and dry it. And replace it with another filter cotton and put it back on the handle. Wash and wring out the old filter cotton with water and dry it naturally for the next replacement. Remove the rubber plug by force. Remove the filter cotton. If there is any dirt, wipe it off with paper towel and put the clean filter cotton on it. There is a rubber stopper on the side of the operating handle. You need to regularly check whether the dirt is blocked and whether the filter cotton needs to be replaced. Put the rubber stopper back in the crosswise direction. Handle connecting line with a wet towel to wipe clean. Dry towel dry. Do not get wet or easy to poor contact. Damage to the handle. Filter cup cleaning. If the filter cup is full, remove the filter cup. Open it and pour it out. Clean it and dry it. Check if the white rubber ring is broken. If it is broken, replace it in time. Tighten the filter cup and insert it back into the instrument. Fuse replacement. Use a tool to pry down and remove the blown fuse and replace it with a new one. Then install it back.